You know that moment when you wake up after a Target run or weekend brunch and your bank app feels like a horror movie. You're scrolling, trying to remember where your money went, and it's like, poof, gone. You tell yourself, I deserve it. But now rent is due and the panic hits again. We're told the solution is simple: make more money, right? But here's the catch. Even women earning $80,000 a year are still living paycheck to paycheck. Because it's not about income, it's about habits, beliefs, and the way we've been taught to treat ourselves as a form of empowerment. And it's not your fault. The system literally targets us. Every ad says, self-care, wellness. You deserve it, but they're not selling empowerment. They're selling spending. We've been conditioned to buy peace instead of build it. If nothing changes, 5 years from now, you'll still feel that same stress. Still waiting for the next race to finally breathe. Still swiping to feel okay. But what if this time you could finally break free? What if I told you your brain is being tricked into overspending every single day? Hey guys, I'm Bella, and welcome back to Money Talk Real Talk. Smart Money with Bella. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. We drop new videos every week to help you take control of your money and your mindset. Today, we're going to uncover why you overspend, how to stop, and what life actually feels like when you're finally in control. So grab your coffee, take a breath, and let's get real. Let's be real, overspending isn't about math, it's about emotion. You're not bad with money. You're just human. Every swipe, click, or add to cart moment is your brain chasing a little hit of happiness. Research shows 70% of millennial women admit they spend emotionally, especially when they're stressed or feeling low. We buy comfort, not just stuff. It's retail therapy, but the therapy fades fast. Imagine walking into Target and only buying what you plan. No impulse candles, no random snacks. Just peace of mind knowing your money listens to you, not your mood. As Warren Buffett says, if you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. The moment you master your emotions, that's when you truly become unstoppable with your finances. Let's be real, most of us don't overspend because we need something. We do it because we're bored, stressed, or craving that little hit of happiness. That click, that purchase. It feels like therapy for 5 minutes. Studies show Americans drop about $276 a month on impulse buys. That's over $3,000 a year gone to random stuff that doesn't even spark joy for long. That's money that could have been working for you, not Target. Now imagine flipping that story. What if that $3,300 a year went toward your dream girls trip, a spa getaway, or just finally being debt-free? Every add to cart could be one step closer to your freedom. But here's the thing, if you don't recognize your emotional triggers, they'll keep controlling your wallet in silence. Awareness is power. Once you name your trigger, you take back control. Your spending habits aren't just about money, they're about the story you tell yourself. Maybe it's the I deserve it story after a long week, or the I'll save later chapter. But to really change your spending, you have to rewrite that story. Millennial women hold over $930 billion in buying power. That's wild, right? Imagine if even 10% of that energy went toward building wealth instead of feeding the scroll and spend cycle. We'd be unstoppable. Here's the shift. Saving isn't punishment, it's self-care. It's giving your future self peace, confidence, and choices. The same way you invest in skincare or wellness, saving is how you glow financially. Like Oprah said, you get in life what you have the courage to ask for, so start asking for financial peace. Because once you believe you deserve it, your wallet will start to believe it too. Let's be real, most budgets feel like punishment, right? You start strong, then one coffee or brunch later, it's over. What you really need is a plan that fits your lifestyle, not some spreadsheet dream. Here's the magic formula, the 50-30-20 rule. Half for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for savings. But hey, tweak it till it actually fits your reality, not someone else's TikTok advice. Imagine being able to grab that Starbucks, guilt-free, and still see your savings grow. That's what balance feels like. You're not depriving yourself, you're designing freedom. And remember, tracking every penny isn't freedom. Awareness is. When you know where your money's going, you start steering your life again, and that's real power. Let's be real, money boundaries aren't about restriction. They're about protection. You're not saying no to fun. You're saying yes to peace of mind. It's about spending with self-respect, not self-sabotage. Studies show that women who set weekly spending limits save up to 30% more over the year. That's not about being cheap, that's about being in control. You're giving every dollar a purpose instead of letting it drift away. Setting financial boundaries doesn't mean skipping brunch with your girls, it means showing up guilt-free. You still enjoy life, but with intention and confidence. You're spending because you want to, not because you need to escape. Like Brené Brown says, setting boundaries takes courage, especially with money. It's an act of self-love, even when others don't get it. You're not being difficult. You're being deliberate about your peace. Confidence doesn't come from a big paycheck, it comes from the small wins you repeat every day. It's that feeling when you finally stick to your plan and see your progress build. Those little moments of control are what make you feel unstoppable. Did you know automatic transfers can help people save up to 40% more? It's like setting your future on autopilot, effortless, consistent, and stress-free. The best part? You don't even have to think about it. Imagine checking your account and smiling, not panicking. That calm confidence comes when you've built habits that work for you, not against you. It's the kind of peace that feels like financial freedom. If your habits depend on motivation, they won't last. The trick is to design systems that run even on your lazy days. Because real confidence isn't about trying harder, it's about making success automatic. The real solution isn't cutting out everything fun, it's building a life that already feels full. You don't need to buy joy when you've designed it into your days. Think of happiness as something you create, not something you swipe for. Studies show that experiences bring about 70% more lasting happiness than things. Trips, time with people you love, learning something new, those are what stay in your heart. The shopping high fades, but memories, they just keep growing. Imagine waking up and feeling excited about your life, not running from it. A peaceful morning walk, coffee on the balcony, planning your next trip, feeling proud of how far you've come. That's what freedom looks like. As Eleanor Roosevelt said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So stop shrinking your dreams, start designing them. You don't need to escape your life when you've built one that feels like art. So today, we talked about the emotional traps behind overspending, how to rewire your money mindset, set boundaries, and build habits that last. Stopping overspending isn't about shame, it's about freedom. You deserve to feel safe and confident with your money. If this video hit home, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your bestie who's trying to get her money life together. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your biggest spending trigger? And how are you tackling it? I'm Bella, and this is Money Talk. Real talk. Smart money with Bella. See you next time, and remember, you're not behind. You're just getting started.